my house, and this is my house with mud. Lots of mud on the kitchen floor and fuzz. Mud and fuzz. Fuzz everywhere. Fuzz, fuzz, fuzz. And a cute little baby who's in the only fuzz-free zone in the house, who is responsible for this evil, muddy, fuzzy mess. Let's find out. Jackson, Jenny, and Bella are incredibly dirty and muddy. I had to stop filling up the bath, and I'm going to have to change the bath water. Mud, 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 mud. You are all a mud.